Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the unbox of a RK68. And you can see around this box, and it's pretty solid build. Let's put the thing out. Okay. You see inside the box is including the keyboard, the manual, and this, take a look, the USB-C cable, and here, this. Let me put back all the things. Okay, throw it away. It's a solid box though. Okay, back to the keyboard here. I have to say that's a pretty good keyboard. Just good looking, I mean. And it's really solid build, and it definitely has some weight in it. You can hear the sound. Pretty solid. Okay. And here's the USB-C cable. USB-C and USB 2.0. Okay. User manual, throw it away, read it later, and here's the keyboard here. Let's take a listen to the sound. And in my region, the keyboard is made of PBT, and there's no other option here. So it's kind of good or bad thing, I don't know, but I pretty like the color here. Okay, that's pull out the keyboard here. Okay, keycaps. You can see that it's red, and I have to admit I don't like the feeling here, so I probably change it or something like that. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, there's one more thing. You can see that. Oh, this way. Oops. There's only one USB-C dongle, and there's no USB 2.0, and lacking of 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So I think just a USB. It's just a USB-C connecting and Bluetooth, I think. Okay, let's see the RGB lighting here. Just let me put on the power button. I think it's on. Okay. Yep, it's on. And let me show you. There's a lot going on here. Okay, that's pretty much of it. Thanks for watching.